Discover the vibrant flavors of Brazil with this traditional Salpicao recipe. A beloved Brazilian salad that's perfect for any occasion. Salpicao is a delightful mix of shredded chicken, crisp vegetables, sweet fruits, and creamy dressing, all brought together for a dish that's as colorful as Brazil itself. Begin by cooking chicken breast until tender and juicy. Once cooked, shred the chicken into fine pieces, setting the stage for the salad's base. Next, prepare your vegetables and fruits. Finely chop carrots for a sweet crunch. Dice apples for a burst of freshness, and slice olives for a tangy contrast. Add raisins to the mix for a hint of sweetness that complements the savory elements beautifully. For the dressing, blend mayonnaise with a touch of cream to create a rich, creamy texture that binds all the ingredients together. This combination ensures each bite is moist and flavorful, highlighting the diverse ingredients. To assemble the salad, mix the shredded chicken with the carrots, apples, raisins, and olives in a large bowl. Pour the creamy dressing over the mixture, ensuring every piece is well coated. For a final touch, sprinkle potato sticks on top just before serving. These add a delightful crunch that contrasts the salad's creaminess, making every bite a perfect balance of textures. Salpicao can be served as a main dish or a side, making it a versatile addition to any meal. Its colorful presentation and explosion of flavors make it a festive choice for gatherings, celebrations, or a simple family dinner. This dish is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a celebration of textures and tastes, making it a must-try for anyone looking to explore Brazilian cuisine.